Hello, and welcome to English, English, English. Today, we are at the beach. Right now, it's 7 o'clock. Right now, the time is 7 p.m. We came to the beach to watch the sunset. Right now, it's a little cloudy, but there's some sun. Right now, it's very quiet. There's no wind and no rain. Right now, we have a friend. Our friend is a seagull. What do you think the seagull's name is? Maybe his name is Tom. At this beach, we have power lines. These power lines are for electricity. These power lines make this beach ugly. We don't like these power lines, but we like electricity. Right now, the water is very calm. Right now, there is no waves. At this beach, we have a small pier. Let's go for a walk to the pier. At this beach, we have a pathway. A pathway you can use to run, or you can walk, or you can ride a bike. Before we came to the beach, it rained. It rained before we came to the beach. Because it rained, we have puddles. On the path along the beach, we have grass, trees, and more power lines. At the beach, we have lots of rocks. At the beach, we have lots of rocks in the water. We also have rocks on the shore. At this beach, we have rocks on the shore and rocks in the water. This bridge can go up and down. This bridge can go up so boats can go under the bridge. Cars can go over the bridge and boats can go under the bridge. Car. The lights just turned on. The lights turned on because it's getting darker. The lights use electricity. We made it to the end of the pier. While walking on the pier, we saw people fishing, and we saw other people walking. Right now, it's still cloudy. Because it's cloudy, we can't see the sunset. Maybe next time. Bye.